What do you think of yourself? How did you put him into custody? You are playing with the lives of citizens. If there are crimes committed, do it. Do it in accordance with law. Total misuse of law by police. You will direct departmental inquiry against him. I will impose costs of putting him into custody. 1 lakh you will pay from your pocket.
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Custody matter, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Husband-wife matrimonial
Husband
dispute.
custody. Ade.
Bangalore police station.
Baglur police station. We'll release him today. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು? Come this side, sir. Why did you take him into custody?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್
ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ? 2 times ಕೊಟ್ರ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಮಕೆ ವಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ವೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? 498A ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಕೇಸ್.
ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕೋದು?
ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಅದೇ
ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿಗೆ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಕಪ್. ಏನ್ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಆಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ವನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಸನ್? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. There are crimes committed, definitely send in a manner known to law. Wives today, day in and day out, are registering crimes, and you straight away take the husband into custody. For what? Partnership deed between the husband and the wife is alleged to be forged. Adle nija irutta. Adu amel nodi.
3 months, only 2 CDs.
Will direct departmental inquiry against him. I will impose costs of putting him into custody. 1 lakh you will pay from your pocket. What do you think of yourself? And police ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. How did you put him into custody? And what is the offense? ಏನು offense ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್. ನೋಟಿಸೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೈವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾ. ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿ ವೈಫ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಿವಲಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್. 69 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ 69. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್. Consensual acts for 8 years. The moment crime is registered under 69, he is inside. Total misuse of law by police. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
April 21st, my lord. More than 2 months have passed, my lord.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Instructions I've heard is notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಯಾವ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ 318(4), cheating and forgery, and complainant is the wife. It's a pure.
No, I think your lordship may direct for departmental inquiry. The two
pure husband and wife dispute in a partnership firm.
The two investigation
wife appears. 2 investigations.
First investigation officer for 3 months does nothing except writing 2 CDs. He has taken over the investigation.
What is the date of registration of the crime?
1912.
19/12/2025 registration of crime ge 5 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? This is the new IO, is it?
Charge sheet has not been filed yet, my lord.
Yes, sir. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಹೊಸದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು? ಹಳೆ ಐವಾಗ 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು?
ಅವರು ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದೇ ತರ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ?
ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ?
498.
ಅದೇ 498 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The petitioner, the husband of the complainant, the second respondent, is before the court seeking his release, seeking quashment of the FIR in crime number 308 of 2025 is registered by the wife on 19/12/2025, alleging that the husband has forged the signature of the wife and created a partnership deed and opened a current account without the knowledge of the wife. This is the fulcrum of the complaint registered on 18/12/2025. The crime is registered before the jurisdictional police, i.e. Bagalur police station. The investigating officer who began his investigation on the 19th of December 2025 did nothing for 3 months. No investigation virtually takes place in terms of the records for 3 months. The station house officer is changed. The present investigating officer, what's your name?
Ramesh.
You know?
Ramesh Bandra.
So and so takes charge as officer in charge of the police station of Bagalur police station. It is then the investigating officer appears to have shown undue interest in the case, which resulted in the petitioner husband of the complainant who against whom no investigation virtually was conducted for 3 months to immediately issue a notice under 35(3) seeking to appear before the investigating officer for conduct of investigation in the 4th month and alleging that the petitioner has not cooperated takes him into custody. The magistrate
Remand.
the magistrate by the remand order with blatant non-application of mind has permitted the custody of the petitioner. It is by now too well settled a principle of law that arrest should be the last resort. In terms of the judgment of the apex court right from D.K. Basu till the judgment of the apex court in Arnesh Kumar, in what offences, in what offences that the offences arrest should come about is elucidated by the apex court in those judgments. Notwithstanding the same, the petitioner is taken into custody just only because of the registration of the complaint by the wife for which the offence punishable is up to 7 years or less. Therefore, the act of the investigating officer of showing undue haste in taking the petitioner to custody without any rhyme or reason, nor there are any reasons indicated for the arrest of the petitioner except a bald statement that he has not cooperated with the investigation, would necessarily lead to the release of the petitioner from prison. The order cannot stop with this, but the investigating officer cannot be left off the hook for acting blatantly contrary to law. A departmental inquiry shall ensue against this investigating officer of station house officer of the Bagalur police station / the investigating officer at the hands of the competent authority in accordance with law, and the action taken against him shall be reported back to this court within 12 weeks from today. The proceedings against the petitioner husband shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing. In the light of the interim order granted now, the petitioner shall be released from prison without broking any delay. The registry is directed to communicate this order through electronic mail to the jail authorities to enable release of the petitioner forthwith.
No, even against the person who did not conduct investigation for 3 months, nothing has been done.
So
Even against that person also.
The competent authority is also directed to inquire into the conduct of the investigating officer who, after registration of crime from 18/12/2025 till the present incumbent takes over for conducting no investigation worth the name. Yes. I'll bari ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
अच्छा please.
दोस्तों, माननीय हाईकोर्ट का ये फैसला साफ दिखाता है कि कानून की नजर में हर नागरिक के अधिकार सुरक्षित है और पुलिस को भी तय नियमों के दायरे में ही काम करना होगा। माननीय अदालत ने इस मामले पर निष्पक्ष न्याय करते हुए पीड़ित पक्ष को राहत दी है। दोस्तों, इस पूरे मामले पर आपकी कीमती राय क्या है, कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर बताइए। जय हिंद।